Good afternoon. My name is Ronaldo Lopez Torres Jr., and today I'm going to present Case Study 6, A Shark's Bad Rap. Do you remember watching Jaws or Little Nemo and picturing a big-toothed, scary, and vicious killer lurking in the water? Since then, you have flashbacks and fear when getting into the water as you do not know what is lurking underneath the surface. Well, let me clear the water for you. Those snarly-toothed killing machines are simply known as Jaws, Anchor, Chum, and Bruce. They are depicted as frightening and human predators simply for the show in our imagination. Not all sharks are dangerous, and you are more likely to be struck by lightning than attacked by a shark. Sharks come in all shapes and sizes and are a valuable part of the ecosystem and a major part of the food chain that helps us live as human beings. We will break down your fears and learn more and get a better understanding of sharks and dissolve the theatric fear that most have grown accustomed to due to scary and over-exaggerated movies and cartoons. A shark's natural food source is different per species, but as a group, they eat almost anything and specifically any animal in the ocean. They primarily eat fish, crustaceans, mollusks, marine mammals, and other sharks. Sharks' attacks assemble into four main categories, which are those on top, in, under, or entering and exiting the water. These categories all have similarities that can mimic a shark's prey, provoke a mistaken attack, spark curiosity, and cause confusion with a shark. Humans and their actions can resemble prey by being out at night when sharks are active and have a sensory advantage. Something as simple as wearing flashy jewelry can replicate a fish's tiny scales. Finally, you could simply be in the water in the wrong place or time and catch the predator's attention. Most shark attacks often occur in Florida for the United States. There have been over 852 documented cases from 1828 to the present day. Shark attacks are also highly documented in the islands of Hawaii for the United States. There have been over 171 documented cases from 1828 to the present day. The world's second most documented shark attacks most often occur in Australia. There have been over 648 documented cases from 1700 to the present day. The world's third most documented shark attacks most often occur in Asia. There have been over 141 documented cases from 1580 to the present day. There are many advantages to having sharks in our oceans in more ways than we can imagine. If we are not careful, we can put them into extinction. One area that is of huge concern is shark finning. Shark finning is the removing of a shark's fin and throwing the animal back into the ocean to die. This has caused a third of the world's shark species to become endangered, according to the International Union for Conservation of Nature. The fins are sold to China and other Asian countries for shark fin soup and medicinal purposes. 1 million sharks were reportedly harvested in 2012. Sharks play an important role in maintaining ecosystems and many are keystone species. Many countries have passed laws banning any trading in shark fins or restricting harvest of depleted species. Phylogenetic DNA testing developed to identify illegal catches of banned species using samples of confiscated fins and shark soup has met with some success. Unfortunately, some sharks harvest seems to be increasing despite bans on finning as people are consuming more shark meat. In most countries that have banned finning, harvesting the entire shark is not illegal. Overall, sharks are very beneficial to their ecosystem and society. They are predators that contribute a significant balance in life and to the coral reefs. They are natural predators that take out the sick and weak species in the oceans. There are cultures that have found use for them for medicinal purposes. This can be very dangerous if not monitored and controlled, as demand will be higher than the reproduction rate of this species. The world should strictly regulate the commercial and recreational fishing and trade of sharks to ensure their species is not forced into extinction. Humans should self-educate on how to avoid shark attacks and learn the dangers and end the prejudice against sharks. They are emblematic figures in the ocean, and we as humans should educate ourselves and the world on how to appreciate them and not fear them due to films, books, or urban legends. Thank you very much, and have a great day.